Hello there, welcome to Smartphone Graphic Design, and I am Obafemi by name. Congratulations, as I'll be showing you the hack behind the size for printing. How you can easily go buy an hack for printing, how you can set the size of your banner, flex, any size you want depending on the size that your customer wants, how you can set it on your PixelLab, and in a way you print it out correct, no cutting, nothing. But the first thing you have to do is to go to your Canva. Then whenever you want to start the career of printing, when you want to design your flyer and you want to print it, whether banner, you need to ask your client what's the size, whether the fit that he or she wants for the banner or the flash banner or the flyer. What's the size that he wants? Let him show you the size or tell you the fit of the size. If he tell you the fit of the size, you have to convert the fit to inch or millimeter or pixel. So I'm going to use inch for instance here, and 1 feet it make of 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, and 1 feet is 12 inch. So it's a very simple thing that we can search on Google. Now assuming he tell you that it needs a banner of 4 feet by 4 feet. Now how do you do it? Now let's go. The first thing you have to do before we go to our Canva is that you should go to Google and search 4 feet by 4 feet, so inch, 4 feet by 4 feet to inches. So once you search on your Google will bring it out. Now look at it. Google said 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So that means that our 4 feet 4 times 12, that should give us 48. That means that what we are having is 48 by 48 inch. So we need to go back to the Canva. Let's go back to our Canva. Alright, this is my Canva. Currently I'm using Canva Pro for this tutorial, Canva Pro, and that's the way I did it. So if you want to know about how I did it, check the link below. I've made the video already on how to get a Canva Pro, not just the application but to get it on the website. Okay, now you need to scroll to the left, then click on this plus here. You want to give a custom size, click on custom size here. Then the width, the width is 48 by 48. Then click on this place. We are using inch, not percent, inch. So that is it, 48 by 48. Let's type it again, 48. Alright, so you need to create new design. Click on create new design. After that, it will bring out the size, the accurate size of 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, 4 feet by 4 feet. Now it will take you to template. Don't use template, you just go to the to here. You can just click on element. You just want to put something there, so let's just put anything there, and I will just click on this icon. Here we go. You can see this is the accurate size of 4 feet by 4 feet, and that is just it. So what you just do is to click on your download here, just download this, just follow my step. So download, then PNG, yes, download it here. So that's all. Once you download this, so we are going to import it to our PixelLab. I'm going to show you the rest with the next thing we are going to do. Make sure you watch this video to the end. PixelLab. So to get the size, click on here, then use image from gallery. So we are going to import the our image that I've already downloaded. So we are going to import it here right now. So click on the image. So here is it. This is the image. Make sure you click on this one when you import your image as the background of any size, so that you can capture all the size. So click on this. So here is it. So this is the accurate size of 4 feet by 4 feet. So let's check the image size. Now this is the image size, 1280 by 1280. So 4 feet by 4 feet just for this tutorial is 1:1. That's the square size. Okay, so
I knew that before. I want you to know how to just set it, because you might give 2 feet by 3 feet, okay, which PixelLab might not get correctly if I just typing it to you. But when you go to that length of the Canva, then download it in the background, then bring it to your PixelLab, that is all, you get it. So what you just have to do here now to remove this one is just to go to here, okay, then click this place just to make it white, or any color that you want for your background. So that's